We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the Pokemon Assorted Lot of 50 single cards. This product is a bulk assortment of Pokemon cards from various series, including regular and energy cards, with a disclaimer that duplicates may occur. It is designed to offer great value for those looking to expand their collection or start one without the high cost of individual booster packs. The cards come from multiple sets such as Sword and Shield, Scarlet and Violet, Paldea Evolved, and others, providing a broad range of options for collectors and players. Many users have expressed pleasant surprise at the variety and quality of cards received. One reviewer who purchased 3 packs totaling 161 cards found only a handful of duplicates, with most cards in near mint condition. The assortment included cards primarily from recent series like SV 151, Paldea Evolved, and others, with very few energy cards and no foils or special rare cards. The cards were well packaged in bubble mailers, arriving in excellent physical condition. This makes the product ideal for newcomers to the Pokemon card game or collectors who want to bulk up their collection affordably. The assortment is not aimed at those seeking rare or highly valuable cards, but rather at those who want a diverse mix of commons and some reverse holo cards. The cards include Pokemon, trainer, item, and energy cards, which can be used for gameplay or crafts. Some buyers have noted the presence of duplicates and a higher number of common cards, which aligns with the product description. However, the overall value is considered good, especially given the price point is often less than buying 3 booster packs individually at retail stores. Families and beginners have found this product particularly useful. One parent shared how purchasing these cards for their young child led to hours of bonding over sorting, trading, and playing games. The variety of artwork and the educational aspect of negotiating and working with numbers added to the positive experience. This highlights the product's suitability for kids and casual collectors rather than competitive players looking for specific cards or decks. There are some minor concerns, such as the occasional questionable card that may appear suspicious, though the majority of cards seem authentic and genuine. The product is not sealed in original packaging, but professionally shrink-wrapped in clear plastic, which is typical for bulk card lots. This packaging approach ensures the cards remain in good condition, but does not replicate the retail booster pack experience. Overall, the Pokemon Assorted Lot of 50 single cards offers a solid value for those wanting to build or expand a collection with a wide variety of cards from multiple recent series. It is especially recommended for beginners, children, and casual collectors who appreciate quantity and diversity over rarity. The cards arrive in near mint condition, well packaged, and with a good balance of Pokemon and support cards. While there are some duplicates and mostly common cards, the assortment provides a fun and affordable way to enjoy the Pokemon trading card game. If you have this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review is based on extensive customer feedback and expert analysis to give you a clear picture of what to expect from this Pokemon card lot.